Hello students, good morning students. Today is 22nd December 2020. Your chapter 9 internal trade was going on. In the last class I have started wholesale trade. In this I have taught to you about the services to manufacturer that has been provided by the wholesaler. Okay, in this I have already taught you 2 points that services has been provided by the wholesaler to manufacturer. So today I want to continue it. So the third service that has been provided by the manufacturer, that has been provided by the wholesaler to manufacturer, that is financial assistance. Okay, listen. You know about that the wholesaler give the order to the manufacturer in a bulk. Wholesaler क्या करते हैं, bulk में order देते हैं manufacturer को to produce the goods in a large quantities. Okay, so at that time they has been also provided the amount in advance to the manufacturer, so they will provide the financial assistance to that about the manufacturer. क्या करते हैं wholesaler, क्या है, एडवांस में कुछ पेमेंट कर रहे हैं अगर मैन्युफैक्चरर को, so to give the order to reason relates from that type of thing. order एडवांस में देने के कारण वो क्या पेमेंट भी एडवांस में देते हैं. So it will be provide the financial assistance to the manufacturer. So here we will write the manufacturer may sell goods to wholesalers either against advance payment or cash on delivery. This reduces the financial burden of the manufacturer. Okay, next fourth point is based on the help in marketing functions. Help in the marketing function. Wholesaler is the link between the manufacturer and retailer. So at the time of any type of the goods, they has been provided the help relates on the promotion of the goods and distribution of the goods with the help of the retailers. So the mediator will perform the duties. It means that is the mediator is also relates on the wholesaler. So wholesaler will also perform that type of the duties. Okay, so here we will write the wholesalers to their retailers, the wholesaler through their retailers distribute goods to millions of consumers spread across the country, full stop. They undertake the responsibility of promoting, selling and distributing the products, full stop. This helps manufacturers not only to save on marketing costs, but also enables them to concentrate them to concentrate on production. So on the basis of that above thing, the manufacturer can produce goods without any type of the extra burden, because the wholesaler will provide that type of the promotion sales services. Okay. Then fifth point, storage. You know about that the wholesaler will order the goods to the manufacturer in a bulk. So storage facilities that has been provided by the manufacturer with the help of the wholesaler. यानी कि wholesaler क्या करता है, गुड्स को स्टोरेज की फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड कराता है, जिसके कारण होलसेलर जो फैसिलिटीज स्टोरेज की प्रोवाइड करा रहा है, मैन्युफैक्चरर को गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करते समय कोई प्रॉब्लम स्टोरेज से नहीं होती. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज रिगार्डिंग द स्टोरेज फैसिलिटीज दैट हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड बाय द होलसेलर, ओके, ऑफ द गुड्स. सो हियर यू विल राइट manufacturer usually plan their production cycles depending upon the orders placed by wholesalers and deliver the goods when they are produced, full stop. The wholesalers store goods in their warehouses, thus deliver at the time of requirement. Okay, it means at the time of the requirement, the wholesaler delivers such type of the goods to the retailers. So the storage facilities that has been also provided by the wholesalers to manufacturers. स्टोरेज से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम क्या मैन्युफैक्चरर को फेस नहीं करनी पड़ती ड्यू टू द हेल्प ऑफ द wholesaler. Okay, so these are the services that has been provided by the wholesalers to manufacturer. Now I want to continue the services relates from the retailers. It means which type of the services that has been provided by the wholesalers to retailers. So look here, services to retailers. It means which type of the services that has been provided by the wholesalers to retailers. Okay, so some important services are here as follows. So I will write it here. Some important services are as follows. Okay, point number 1, availability of goods. Okay, the wholesaler provide retailers the facility of buying goods of different manufacturer in smaller quantities. You know about that. The wholesaler purchase the goods from the manufacturer in a bulk, then after that in the small lot they have been sold the goods to the retailers. So on the basis of that above thing, the retailers can purchase the goods in small quantities from the wholesaler in easy way. So here you will write the wholesalers provide retailers the facility of buying products of different manufacturer of different manufacturers in smaller quantities. This enables the retailers to offer a large variety of products to their customers without maintaining high stock levels or blocking capital. It means retailers can get the small quantity of the goods from the wholesalers, so they don't want to invest the large amount of their capital or blocking of their capital, because as per the requirement they can purchase the goods from the wholesaler in small lot. Okay. Second point, grant of credit. Financial strength has been also provided by the wholesalers to manufacturer, and here in the case of the retailers they has been also provided the facilities of the financial assistance to the retailers, because at the time of the selling of the goods the wholesaler can provide the goods to the retailers on credit. So here we will write the wholesalers extend credit facility to retailers. Thus it becomes easy for retailers to manage business with lesser working capital. It means they can continue their business with the less amount of the working capital, because the goods has been available on credit with the help of the wholesalers. Clear? Now the third point is related on the marketing support. Okay. Here you can write about it. The wholesalers undertake advertisements other marketing functions to induce customers to purchase the goods. Such advertising benefits the retailers. In increasing the demand of various new products. It means they has been also provided the facilities related from the promotion of the goods, because all the work relates on the advertisement that has been performed by the wholesaler, and its benefits also get by the retailers. Okay. Now fourth point is risk sharing. Listen, retailers purchase goods from the wholesalers. Retailers क्या करते हैं? गुड्स परचेस किससे करते हैं? होलसेलर से, इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज and that type of the purchasing is relates on the credit also. Okay, it saves the retailers for assuming risk of spoilage, okay, obsolescence, price and demand fluctuations and other damage. It means that type of the risk has been also shared by the wholesalers. Okay, so here you will write retailers purchase goods from the wholesalers in smaller quantities and that too on credit. It means smaller quantity भी रहती है and that is also on the credit, उधार भी होता है. It saves the retailers from assuming risk of spoilage, 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 obsolescence, price and demand fluctuations and other damage. It means that type of the risk has been shared by the wholesalers. Okay, so students, these are the services that has been provided by the wholesalers to retailers. If you have any doubt, students, then you can also ask the query with me. Okay.